Hello, in this video we will show you how to add video sources to your AREC Media Station. For this, you need to access the administrator page of the station by typing the IP address on a browser, then logging in with your credentials. By default, these are admin in lowercase. You will land on the video inputs page of the Media I/O category. On AREC Media Stations, video sources are added as video channels. Each video channel can only use one video source at a time. The number of available channels depends on the model. For most media stations, the first channel will have a computer icon, and the following numbers 1, 2, and 3 for 4-channel models like the LS410, which is the one I'm using right now. Regardless of the icon shown, any supported video source can be used in any of the available channels. You can also change the name of the channel for easier identification. There are different signal types that can be used depending on the video source. For HDMI and USB, we choose video port. By default, you can choose either HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, even if no sources are connected to the station. For USB sources, they will only become available after connecting them to the station's USB port. So for my first channel, I will use HDMI 1, and for my second channel, I have a USB camera, AVC01. For network cameras, we first have to add them to the station. For that, we go to Network Device Manager and click the Scan button. The station will search the local network for all the ONVIF and NDI sources available. If a camera supports both ONVIF and NDI, both options will be listed on the same page. To distinguish which source is ONVIF and which is NDI, refer to the Status column. ONVIF sources will require you to log in, while NDI can be added simply by clicking the Add button. We go back to video inputs. For my third channel, I will choose signal type as network camera, and then under IP address, I choose the camera that I want to use for this channel. If the camera has PTZ control options, you can also select the control protocol here and hit apply. The last signal type is IP source. Choose this option if you wish to connect a video source to this channel using RTP, RTMP, RTSP, or SRT. For this, input the primary and secondary URL. If the source you're adding allows for PTZ control, you can also select the PTZ control here. Remember to hit apply to save all of the changes. The process is the same for all the available channels. Once the video channel is selected and applied, you can preview it by clicking the orange icon on the top right of the channel. For PTZ cameras, you can also adjust basic image parameters and the PTZ functions of the camera directly from this menu. And that is all you have to do to add video sources to your AREC Media Station. For more training videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel at ADENA channel and visit our website www.adena.com.